Kenya hoodies! What is up, guys? Welcome back. As you can see by the thumbnail, I think what I decided is gonna be fairly obvious as to what's going on, kinda. So, long story short, everything's good. Everything's really good, honestly. We just had quite a little... I missed you guys. I'm gonna say that for sure. That was at the top of my list. Like, first thing I wanted to do as soon as I was feeling better is get a video out for you guys so you know what's going on, because I feel really bad when everybody's like in the dark and they don't really know what's going on. So long story short, I feel kind of stupid about it because I drink a lot, to say the least. Like I drink a lot of like I'll drink a soda a day and stuff, but I drink like a shit ton of water. So I got mad dehydrated, right? Where I got super dehydrated and like it was getting worse and worse and worse and worse, and I was like, dude, I don't know what's wrong with me. And like it was nothing bad. It was just like my headache kept getting worse. And I was like super tired. I was always like out of energy. I'm like, dude, not like myself, you know what I'm saying? Like I was like okay with sleeping and I was like not itchy about it, which is crazy. I was in the Walgreens parking lot with Meg and I literally like straight lost my vision and my eyes rolled back, I guess, and I fainted from like a crazy hot flash. And I woke back up. Meg was on the phone with 911 and an ambulance showed up, and I was like, dude, like I feel okay. It was just like, you know, it just hit me like a ton of bricks and I passed out, but I feel good now. I was just like, dude, when I woke up, I was literally steaming. Like Meg said that I was steaming with sweat. And then the medic was like, he's like, nah, man, like you seem like you're okay. You just got dehydrated, I guess, is like what it seems like. So then before I got home, it like happened again. And then another ambulance came and brought me to the hospital. And I was like very dehydrated, like bad. I don't even know how bad, like how it happened, but long story short, I kept feeling like I was gonna pass out and I kept like fainting, I guess is what you'd call it realistically. And it was super crazy. It was like nothing bad, but in your head, like as a person, when you like faint and you like pass out and shit, like it's scary. Like I don't know what's going on. Like it happened so fast. Like my stomach flipped and then just like all of a sudden I was like, it just looked like I was staring at the sun. Like that's the only thing I can like explain it to. And then I was just like fucking boink. And I was out, and it almost happened like 2 more times at the house, and I got rushed to the hospital and they gave me a lot of fluids and got me checked up on everything, and everything's all good. So your boy's back. I got my energy back. I've been tanking water like a fucking camel, bro. I'm still a little bit stuffy from like being inside for a couple days and the whole thing. Yeah, everything else is all good. So let's get back to it. So anyway, if you're new here, my name's Chris. We do Mark 7 GTI content. We do Mark 6 Jetta content. We go fast, have a good time. If that's something that interests you, go down there, hit that subscribe button. We ride in ambulances. This was my first ambulance ride ever. What are you doing, babies? What are you doing, babies? Oh my goodness. Kippy was so worried the whole time. She like didn't even leave the bed. I'm gonna take this as like, I know in retrospect, it wasn't like anything crazy. I didn't almost die. Like it kind of seemed like it, but it's a refresher for me, and I've had a lot of these things in my life happen. I've crashed quite a few cars, and 2 of those crashes have been very bad, and I literally walked out of both of them. I rolled my dad's Jeep, and I hit trees that had clipped the entire top off the Jeep and like flattened one side of it. And I mean literally like inches from my head because I fell asleep, so like it was tucked away. Long story short, I don't need to like go on about it. It's all like in the past. It is what it is, and they were all accidents. But like, just keep driving is so much to me, bro. Ugh. All I can think about like this entire time, I haven't like touched the car. I finally drove for the first time yesterday, and like, dude, I literally was like giggling, like just little shifts and stuff. I was like, I just love this. Like what I want. It's what I want to do, bro. I need to drive. Like I have to. Don't waste your time. You know what I'm saying? We only got so much. So don't waste time wishing you did shit or don't do shit. Just send it, bro. That's what this channel is about. Meeting good people, sending it, just seeing and riding in amazing cars and like appreciating them as machines, what they are. Meant to go fast and have a good time. Love you guys. I was thinking about the channel the entire time I was in the hospital and like at home and stuff. And everything's all good. I'm super healthy, and just wanted to let you guys know because I'm being super transparent. You know I like to be transparent with you guys, keep it real, let you know what's going on. And we're back to business, baby! Feels so good to film again. So today we're gonna keep it chill. I know it's gonna be like not a crazy video or whatever. I'm waiting on side skirts and a lip still, dude. They're driving me nuts. Like I keep emailing this company and I'm like, I'm being super nice about it. I'm like, hey, I kind of need this for like events and videos and stuff. So like, I'm just kind of wondering like, what's the ETA? And like a month ago, they told me 2 weeks. Then I emailed them after those 2 weeks and they said another week. And that week was 2 weeks ago. So like, so we're waiting on that. I'm probably gonna order a couple other things here in the next week or two. And I got good videos coming for you guys, don't worry. So today, anyway, yeah, not gonna be anything crazy. We're gonna rip around, just get a little POV, some good driving noises. I have not drove, like legitimately drove in like 4 days. I drove yesterday, but like, you know, that's not enough. This is mostly like an update video. Sorry about all the talking, but I missed you guys. And dude, we hit 500, we hit 700 subscribers, bro. While I was sick, I was so happy about that. That happened in the hospital, and I was like laying there, and I fucking hit 700, and I was like, ah, my boys, let's go.
I see that cute little fish. She's girl.
Delicious cold start? Of course. It's been so long.
Yoink.
Welcome to the cabin. Let's do some driving. Meg does not wish to be filmed, but Meg is here. Hi, Meg.
Hi.
She just got out of the shower. Can I get out without scraping going that way? What a test.
Probably not.
What a test of my skills, my abilities of driving. I think you forgot I'm a fucking gangster. It feels so good driving. I love this car so much! I'm back, baby! Hide your wife! I'm coming in hot!
Okay.
Oh. Snap. Everybody on this road really just not about my lifestyle.
Yeah, well, we're not about theirs.
Yeah. Fuck you. I feel great! Yeah. Built of a different breed, as you see. Driving is what makes me. This thing sounds crazy going through the hills. Coming around right on. Coming in, halt. Left 3. I missed you guys. That's that song makes you think of Shakira. That's what it sounds like.
Please fucking stop.
Oh my god, is that a 235i? Shit. Listen here, sonny. This is so loud. I am all about it. A big old two-stepping 2JZ.
We're gonna move.
When we went to that show, shout out to whoever it was. We went to that show and we were both like, shit, is that a Supra? And then he's like, 2JZ, no shit. I've laughed at that video editing so long. 2JZ, no shit. It's a famous engine inside the Supra, in case you were unaware.
2.
Shit. It's been a
deceive me. I definitely just saw Taylor's Supra. So, we gotta go see that. Okay, Taylor. We see you, dog.
Love that thing, homie.
Shoot. She's looking nice, bro. Trying to get some good pics.
We are home. Alrighty, homies. This isn't gonna be a crazy video. I kind of gotta keep it chill a little bit. My head is still a little cloudy from, you know, the whole passing out thing. That felt so good to drive, like for real though. It felt amazing, and not even gonna cap. It feels really good, but my head is still a little shaky. My head's a little cloudy, and it does bug me a little bit, and I don't want to push it too much. And I need more rest, obviously, so we can get right back into business. But yeah, I didn't want to get out of the swing of things with filming videos because we were supposed to film like 4 or 5 videos, and then I ended up getting like all fucked up. So just keep driving, keep it real. Your boy's all good, in the hood, everything's safe, healthy, feeling great. Just don't forget to drink your water, bro. Drink that liquid. But anyway, I'll catch you in the next one, guys. I just wanted to be a quick little update for you. And your boy will catch you in the next one. Peace!